Alright guys, I've decided to jump into the world of toy reviews. So this is the Gundam Barbatos high grade model. And sorry to say, Zach, I've joined the Weeb forces. But has some great box art. The sculpting is phenomenal. Really well made. We're gonna dive straight into accessories. These are just the standard, other than the extra arm it comes with the shield. And if you look at the other arm, it's different. But for weapons, he has the large mace, and I'll hit some poses later to show you, and the katana, or big sword. Jump straight into articulation. For articulation points, we've got a ball joint at the head, a double ball joint, so you can kind of see double ball joint. You got very articulated arm. The shoulder comes up. We have an extra part in there that helps it come out even more, ball joint, and then just the normal swiveling joint. The shoulder comes off too for just the first form Barbatos, or second depending on which arm. We got a double hinged hinge joint here at the arm, ball joint at the wrist, and every ball joint can be a swivel. A jobby reference. We got a ball joint at the hips, and every ball joint can be a swivel. We got a hinge at the chest, somewhat of some sort of hinge ball joint, the lower hips leg attachment point. There's a thing that turns inside. And double hinged knee for some good articulation. Really good articulation on the feet. It swivels all the way, almost all the way around, quite far, goes down and back. This flap moves all the way up and forward, and with this farther forward it can go more forward. And just another hinge at this part, and of course these things move. The iron diaper, this part moves, the booster, and that's pretty much it for articulation. Here is one of the poses, just to show some posability. The mace may look quite large and in charge and pretty heavy, but it's not too much heavy just because of the plastic, so it's really easy to hold it. Alright, if you decide to buy the extra accessory pack, it comes with a few accessories compatible with the Barbatos. This large sniper rifle, and a mobile worker, which is like a small tank thing. If you haven't watched the show, that's basically it. Lightly armored, or lightly armed, you know, I don't know. Well, I'll go ahead and put it in a pose with the gun, just to show you how it looks. That's about gonna finish off my high grade Iron-Blooded Orphans Barbatos Gundam review. Be sure to leave a like, comment what you thought about the kit, and subscribe, of course. Imma Bea Froog. See y'all later.